Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to REALME X2 Pro. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, tap on Continue and select Allow. You want to go with Send on an Android and Receive on Realme. Normally, you need to tap on all of those dots and click Send to send all of your files. But I don't want to do that, so I will only send this one file. Now I have to tap on it, click Send, and tap Got it. From here, there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will click on scanning icon on Realme to tap Allow and scan the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you wanna check it out for sure, you can find File Manager, click OK, then Allow and tap on, in my case, Photos. Then you can see Send Anywhere folder and my photo is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!